Raise your hand before you're asking. Okay. In the previous lesson, we have talked about what's inside a plant cells. We will make a quick revisions. After that, we will answer the homework. Yesterday, I gave you a homework, page 3, 4, 5, 6. I will ask you some questions before we answer. What's inside a plant cell? Mitochondria. What is the main job for mitochondria? What's main job for mitochondria? What's main job for mitochondria? Abdullah Muhammad.
Yes, mister.
Answer, please. Mitochondria.
Breaks down food.
Yes, break down food and get the energy for the cell. Excellent. Cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall.
Cell wall, it protects the plant cells.
A layer. This a layer. A layer. Outer covering around the outside of the cell. Yes. What about vacuole?
Stores
Sulaiman.
food.
Sulaiman. Sumaya Sulaiman. Vacuole. Vacuole. Mahmoud Muhammad. Mahmoud Muhammad.
Yes.
Vacuole. Vacuole.
Sir, my name is Yasin Mahmoud, but I can't change my name.
Okay, I will give you permissions.
Yes, Master.
Rename yourself by correct name.
What?
Yeah, okay.
Write your name, write your correct name. I give you a permissions. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute, correct your name. All student, write your name, write your correct name. After 1 minute, I will close. Now, what about chloroplasts? Chloroplasts?
Chloroplast?
Yeah.
It's
So easy, so easy. A green structure.
Give you energy.
Chloroplast. Chloroplast.
Makes energy.
Chloroplasts are green because they contain a chemical called chlorophyll. What about the other colors? What about the other colors? Lack chloroplast. What is the color?
What?
If the color is lack chloroplast, we can get a green color.
No.
Yes, other colors. Chloroplasts are green because they contain a chemical called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, green. Lack chloroplast, other colors.
Mister, what is the job of the chloroplast?
Give the color for the plant. Okay, here comparison between cell wall and animal wall. Plant cell has chloroplast, cell wall. Animal cell has many or no vacuoles, but the both alive in cell membrane organelles. Cell membrane organelles. Now we will answer the homework. Open page 3. Page 3. Number 1. Who can answer number 1? Yasin Mahmoud.
Yes, mister.
Yes, answer. Read question 1.
All organisms
Yeah.
or living things are made of cells.
Excellent, excellent, really excellent. Yes. Well, number two. Number two, I will choose Abdul Rahman Ismail. Abdul Rahman Ismail.
Yes, teacher.
Answer number two. Answer number two.
Which
Every cell, number two, in workbook, page 3. You're not ready?
Yeah, I'm not ready. Wait a second.
Okay. Muaz Majdi.
Yes.
Number two, every cell and everything, in every living thing, answer the questions.
Yeah, Mr. Get down.
No, from your book, from your workbook, from your workbook.
Every
Here's the model
cell.
answer. Here's the model answer.
Okay. Every
Yes.
cell and every living thing come from another cell that splits or divides.
Yes, split or divide. Excellent. Yes, excellent. Number three. Number three. Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Yes, mister.
Yes, number three.
Number three, a single-celled organism that can carry on
Carry
all its life process is called unicellular.
Unicellular. Yes, excellent. Unicellular. Perfect. You did excellent. Yes. Number four. Number four, I will choose Yusuf Tamer. Yusuf Tamer.
Organisms made up of more than one.
Raise your voice, please. Raise your voice.
Organisms made up of more than one cell are called multicellular.
You did excellent. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Number five. Number five. Number five. Number five. Ahmed Al-Gharabawi.
Organisms made up of more than one cell are called.
We did this. Number four, we did. Number five.
Number five,
Yeah.
scientists have identified more than different kinds of unicellular organisms.
Yes. What are the answers?
2 billion.
100,000.
No,
100.
Mr. 1.5 million.
Scientists have identified more than
1.5 million.
number five. Scientists have identified more than 100,000 different kinds of unicellular organisms. Now, number six. Number six, Bilal Hamdi.
Yes, Mr.
Number six, both plant, yes, lead.
Both plant and animal cells perform life process by using organs.
You did excellent. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yes. Number seven, tame. All cells.
Hello, mister.
7. All
Yes.
cells are surrounded by
Surrounded by its wrapper, yeah.
membrane.
Cell membrane, yeah. You did excellent. Perfect. Complete?
That controls the materials that move in and out of the cell.
Yes, perfect. Perfect. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Abdullah, the car.
Teacher.
Abdullah.
Number 8, the region between the cell membrane and the nucleus is filled with
Yes, cytoplasm. Yes, cytoplasm. 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 Number 9.
Teacher, your voice is not clear because
Oh, it's
many
clear.
people
Now it's
are
clear. Now it's clear.
there.
Number 9. The cells control. Number 9. Number 9. The cells control enter. I will choose Ahmed Al-Gharabawi. Number 9, Ahmed Al-Gharabawi.
Between the cell membrane and the nucleus is filled with cytoplasm.
The cells control center is called the. Who can
Cytoplasm.
correct? Who can correct?
Me, Mr.
Yes, Muaz.
The cell control the cell's control center is called the nucleus.
Excellent. Perfect. Nucleus. Okay. Number 9. We have finished. Number 10. Number 10. I will choose Amin Nabhan. Amin Nabhan. Read number 10.
The tiny power plants in the cell where food is broken down and energy is released are called mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Perfect. Perfect. You did excellent. 11. Black Roman.
Yeah, Mister, I'm wonder, but that is I can't change my name there.
Okay, now change your name. I allow to you.
Oh.
Change your name.
Okay,
Yes.
I will. Okay, I will change it and come back.
Okay. Number 11. Number 11. Abdurrahman Ismail. Look at me. Hi guys, pay attention. 11. Abdurrahman Ismail.
Teacher, I didn't understand the lesson. Can you repeat it for me again?
You can see the video by platform. You can find all the lessons, all the video, all the explanation. You can repeat the explanation. Number 11. Abdullah Muhammad.
Yes,
11.
the tiny power plants.
Structure.
Yeah, but this is number 12, not 11. A structure in a cell used for storage of water, food, and waste is vacuoles.
Vacuum. Excellent. Vacuole. Excellent. Okay, number what now? What's inside a plant cell? Number 12. Number 12, plant cell.
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Mister.
Yeah. Read. Number 12, a plant cell.
Cells have
Mister, can you go down to see the answers?
No.
as an outer covering cell wall.
Plant cells have
Have
Sure. Can you
Cell
tell
wall.
them to
Cell wall.
close their mics so I
Cell.
can hear you?
And you close your mic.
Cell wall.
Mister, can I answer?
Bilal.
You didn't remove. Mister, can I answer?
Yasin, raise your hand.
Aus?
Can I say for you something?
Yes, you can. Yes.
I don't have you have a question more. I don't have it in my book.
Okay. You can write it. You can write it. Okay. Extra questions. Excellent. No
Mister,
problem.
what
Now,
is
number 12. Structures. Okay, now 13. Plant cell. 13. Plant cells have an cell wall. A rigid structures. You can compare between your book and the platform.
Mister, I
Mister, but
13.
A green structure called chloroplasts.
this is what gives the plant a color.
Mister? Can I answer number for 15?
Aus?
Yeah.
Yes. 15.
Cells working together at the same job form a tissue.
Excellent.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, number 16.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Group of tissues working together from organs. The group of organ working together from organ system.
Organ system. Excellent. Your class is so excellent. All students. Okay. Compare and contrast the cells of plants, animals, and unicellular organisms. We explained these questions many times. This is the perfect answer. All cells come from the division of the other cells. Cells can carry on basic life processes. Plants and animals are multicellular organisms. They have, yeah?
We have to write all.
No, the main idea only. Only on the textbook. The idea that I explained before. Page 5. Hurry up, page 5. Page 5. The puzzle. Read each clue and fill in the crossword puzzle. Number 1. Abdul Muhammad, okay.
Yes, Mister.
New students. Number 1.
Yes.
Abdullah
Number
Muhammad,
1.
Abdullah Muhammad.
Organism that. Yes, Mister.
Abdullah Muhammad.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Number 1.
Organisms that contain many different types of cells.
No, I need the answer. Number 1, down. This is number 1, down.
Okay, number one, the answer is multicellular.
Excellent. Multicellular, yes. Okay. Now across. Number 2.
Me or who?
I will choose.
I know the answer.
Yes. Yes. Answer. Yes.
Me also.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Number 2.
The smallest unit of a living thing that can carry out the basic processes of life.
I
Cell.
need only word. Only word. The cell. I need only word.
Cell.
I know the
Cell.
answer.
Cell. Cell. Yes. Cell. Now number 3.
Can I answer?
Number 3.
Can I answer?
Don't make noise. Don't make. I will choose the students. Only raise your hand. Ahmed Nada. Number 3. Ahmed Nada. Ahmed Nada. Are you not ready? Why? Bilal Hamdi.
Yes, Mister.
Number
Yes,
3. Number 3.
Number 3, tissue.
Yes, excellent. Yes. Number 4.
Mister, can I answer?
Number 4. Yes, down. Number 4.
Number 4, system.
System. Excellent. Number 4 system. Yes. Number 5.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, you answer. Ahmed Gharabawi. Yes.
No, Yasin Mahmoud.
Yasin. Yalla Yasin.
5 chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Excellent. Excellent.
Mister, can I answer?
Number 6. Who?
Muaz.
Muad. Number 6. Muad. Yeah.
Organ.
Mr. What was
Organ. Yes. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7.
Yes, Mister.
Bilal. Yalla Bilal.
Which
Organism. Number 7.
number 7?
Yeah.
You made it.
Okay. Number 7. Now page 6. Page 6.
Page 6. Okay.
6.
Out
Yeah.
living things and break them down into smaller things. All living things are made up of units called cells.
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome.
Who can continue? Who can continue?
Me.
Yes. Yes. Ali.
Some organisms
Ali
are
Najum.
unit.
Ali. Ali. Where are you, Ali?
Yes, Mister.
Yes. Complete. Some organisms are quickly.
Okay, I'll read it first. When we talk
Yeah.
about living things, we can take them both.
You have a problem with the voice.
All
You have a
living
problem
things
with
are
the
made
voice.
up.
You have a problem with the voice. Okay. Badr. 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 Yes.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes, you can.
That is, they consist of only one cell. More complex organisms,
Yes.
including plants and animals, are
Are
called
called multicellular. Multicellular organ. Yes. True. Yes.
Mister, can I answer?
Yes. All cells, yes.
More complex organism. All cells are surrounded by a cell membrane that controls what moves into and out of the cell.
Yes, perfect. Yes. Who can continue? Yes. What other students? Other students?
Me.
Other students? Rayyan Al-Masri, where are you? Rayyan Al-Masri?
Yes, Mister.
Yes. Continue. The insides of cells.
Controls what moves into
Inside of
cells
cells
are
are filled with a gel-like fluid called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Continue. Continue.
within his liquid are the cell organelles.
Organelles, yeah. Continue. Both
plant and animal cells, as well as many unicellular organisms contain an nucleus and
mitochondria. Yes, perfect. Continue.
which supply energy for the cell.
Which supply energy for the cell. Yes. Now, you was Abdullah Dakar. Plant cells have a.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, plant cells have a. Where are you? Are you not follow us? Plant cells have in the last. Plant cells in the last here in the screen. Look to the screen. Plant cells have a. Read the screen. Okay. Transfer the model answers. All students, you have to transfer model answer, correct your false. If you have. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Now we are gonna to next lessons. Pay attention.
Mister, we finished from the workbook.
Yes. Now we are gonna to discussing page 34. Page 34. Page 34. Classifying life, listen to. Classifying life, listen to. Listen to. We will take introduction about classifying life.
Page 30 what?
34. 34. Page 34. Okay.
Mr. Can I read?
Yes.
How are organisms classified? There are millions of different organisms on Earth. Scientists organize these organisms by sorting or classifying them into groups according to shared characteristics. Classification has been called the science of finding Patterns classifying helps scientists identify study group and name organisms.
Okay. Thank you. Enough. Here, in our kitchen, items we put in groups. The example. What? Who can know why in our kitchen items put in groups? In our kitchen, you put the dishes, for example, in groups. The bottle in groups. Why? Because it's similar, okay? It's similar, the similarity between the dishes. Now we can arrange by similarities or differences. Similarities or differences. Like here when we classify life. How can we put living things? By their similarities or differences? How can put living things? How can we arrange living things? By similarities or differences? Similarities. So easy, similarities. Now we can put some group of living things.
By similarity.
Yes. We can put animals, plants, fungi, protists, bacteria in groups. We can classify all this in groups. Yes, in groups. We can put it in groups according similarity. Like the living things, we arrange in similar. Classification, put the things of finding patterns, classifying, help scientists identify. Let's here. Identify. Number one. Study groups and name organism. Advantages for classification. What is the advantages for classification? Number one, identify, study groups, and name organisms. There's many advantages for classification. Put highlight. There's many millions of different organisms on Earth. Genus numbers. It's organized by similarities or sorting or classifying. They arrange the groups according to shared characteristics. This vocab is called classification. Now who can define classification?
Me, Mr.
Yes?
Has classification
Yeah?
has been called the science of finding patterns.
Yes, excellent, perfect. You did excellent. The sense to finding patterns. Finding patterns. Yes. Now, kingdom. What about the kingdom? They classified some kinds on kingdom. Who can read passage number 2? Passage number 2.
Me,
What's your name?
Muaz.
Muaz. Yes, Muaz.
One classification system used today divides all organisms into 6 major groups called kingdoms.
Yes, 6 major. Because be careful here. 6 major organisms. 6 major organisms called kingdom. Called kingdoms. Yeah. Continue.
The broadest group an organism is classified into is a kingdom.
Kingdom, yes, kingdom. Who can define kingdom? No? Okay, my students, now time's up. I'm so sorry. We will continue in the, yes?
What does it mean, broadest?
We'll discuss it in next lesson, inshallah. Now time's up. I have other period. I'm so sorry. Next lesson will be